Hi, Catherine. Welcome back. We're going to go ahead and get started with your IEP goals. And we are going to do IEP goal number 1. So if you can pull out your packet that says IEP goals. And let's go ahead and look at goal number 1. And right here, we're going to look at the one that says by the end of 9 instructional weeks, when given verbal, visual, model, and prompts, Catherine will increase vocabulary comprehension skills by identifying the function of 7 common objects such as a remote, the chair, the hat, book, shampoo, pencil, toothbrush, and toothpaste. So we're going to begin. If you can go into your packet, flip over the page, and you should have this, which is what we're going to be reviewing. So, what is a telephone for, Catherine? It is call people. It is used to call people. What is a telephone for, Catherine? To call people. Good job. What is a shopping cart for? It is to put groceries inside. So what's a shopping cart for? Put groceries inside. Catherine, what is a soap used for? It is to wash your hands and your body. What's the soap for? Wash your hands and body. Camera. Catherine, look, this is a camera. What do you use a camera for? Take pictures. Yes, good job. It is used to take pictures. The lawnmower. What is a lawnmower for? To cut the grass. Yes, so the lawnmower is to cut the grass. Good job, Catherine. What is the key for? To open the doors. We use keys when the doors are locked. To open the door. A rake. What is a rake used for, Catherine? To pick up leaves. It is used to pick up leaves. So let's go ahead and try one. Catherine, can you tell me or tell your mommy what is the soap used for? Wash your hands and body. Good job. Now, what is the key for? Open doors. Great job. So now that we have practiced, I want you to answer the following questions. So this should be on your next, if you flip the page over, you should have this worksheet that starts with the telephone is to. So I want you to circle your best answer. So Catherine, what is the telephone used for? Is it to call people or to make food? Yes, great job. Now, identify the function of the object. What is a shopping cart? The shopping cart is to what? Put groceries inside or erase others? Answer the question. So we will be just doing this worksheet and we will stop right there. Once you are done with this, only this worksheet, take a picture and submit it for a grade. Let's go over to IEP goal number 2. So go ahead and skip those pages and look for IEP goal number 2, and they should be in order. So goal number 2 is math. So by the end of 9 instructional weeks, Catherine will solve simple addition problems by adding within 1 through 4. So, Catherine, let's review. So remember, Catherine, we're going to go over addition. So I'm going to do the first one with you. So make sure you get this worksheet out. I'll go ahead and give you some time. And I'm going to go over the first one with you. So let's go ahead and add these circles in the first question. So let's count how many circles. Count with me. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many circles do we have here? 9 yellow dots. So under this box, you are going to write the number 9. Now, what is this symbol right here? Plus. Say it with me. Plus. Now let's add the other yellow dots. Let's count. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many yellow dots do we have in this box? 7. So go ahead and write a number 7 under this box. Do you remember what this symbol stands for, Catherine? It means the same, so it is also equal. So can you say it with me? Equal. So now we are going to say the whole problem together. So, looking at your paper, the numbers that you wrote, we are going to say them out loud. So for this first box, how many yellow dots? 9. What's the symbol? Plus. How many yellow dots? 7. What is the symbol? Equals. All together. And then write your answer. So how many do we have all together? So let's count. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many yellow dots do we have all together? 16. So your answer is 16. Do you know how to write the 16? Great job. It is a 1 and a 6. So, to review, we're going to say this all together. So, let's go ahead. How many yellow dots? 9 plus 7 equals all together 16. Yes, great job answering, Catherine. So now I want you to work on the next 4 questions and I want you to write your answer. Now, be careful because the symbol changes. So if it looks like this, it means subtract. That means you are going to take away. So, for example, you have how many blue dots? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to write the number 8 under this box. This symbol means minus. How many blue dots? 1, 2, 3. So you're going to put the 3 right here. Equals all together. Oh no, I'm sorry. Equals, not all together because we're not adding. I'm so sorry. So if you have 8 dots, but you are taking away 3, how many do you have left? So if we take off 3, so let's go ahead and take 3 off. 1, 2, 3. So now let's see how many do we have left. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is your answer? 5. So please answer the rest of the questions and take a picture for a grade.